Are you looking for some fresh and exciting ideas to transform your small living room? Do you want to learn how to use lighting, textures, furniture, and decor to create a cozy and stylish space? If so, you are in the right place. Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome to our channel where we share the best small living room design ideas, trends, and inspiration for this year. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transform your small living room into a cozy and stylish space with some clever design tricks and creative decor choices. Whether you want to create a relaxing atmosphere, a lively conversation area, or a functional and fashionable space, we have something for you. We'll share with you some of the latest and most popular tips and tricks to make the most of your limited space and express your personality and style. You will discover how to use ambient lighting, calming textures, spaces that spark conversation, functional decor, 70s curves, live-in elements, and a fit wall focus to create a stunning small living room. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start our presentation with this design idea, a cozy and chic corner living room with a panoramic ocean view. The room features two large sliding doors that open to a spacious balcony where you can relax and enjoy the breeze. The interior is decorated with soft gray tones and minimalist furniture, creating a calm and elegant atmosphere. Two sofas face each other, inviting conversation and entertainment. An armchair provides additional seating and comfort. A wall-mounted shelf above the TV displays some books and art pieces, while a floor-standing shelf offers more storage and display space. A square wood coffee table complements the look, along with a light gray area rug that adds some warmth and textures to the floor. The second design idea is a small and bright living room with a modern and airy feel. The light top walls and hardwood floors create a neutral and elegant backdrop for the white furniture and colorful accents. The large windows and wide opening let in plenty of natural light and offer a view of the lush backyard garden. The three-seater sofa and two armchairs provide comfortable sitting in contrast with the simple rectangular coffee table. A rustic style area rug adds some warmth and textures to the floor. The decoration includes three modern paintings that add some artistic flair to the wall above the sofa, decorative pillows that bring some pops of white, yellow, and blue to the sofa and armchairs, and several potted plants that bring some greenery and freshness to the room. The living room from the image is a small and modern space with a traditional touch. The light color parquet flooring and the bone white walls create a bright and spacious feel. The door to the balcony lets in some fresh air and natural light. The furniture is simple and elegant with a taupe color three-seater sofa, a brown armchair, an oval coffee table, a side table, and a TV stand. The lighting is stylish and cozy with a modern pendant lamp, a wall-mounted lamp, and a table lamp. A round area rug adds some warmth and comfort to the floor. Let's step now into a modern open space with a small living room that exudes simplicity and elegance. The living room features a comfy three-seater sofa, two fancy wooden chairs, and a round-topped wooden coffee table, all in neutral colors and clean lines. The opposite wall has small wall-mounted shelves that display some books and ornaments. A thick area rug adds some coziness and textures to the floor. Several potted plants bring some greenery and freshness to the space. Here in this image, you can see a small and modern corner living room that enjoys plenty of natural light and a stunning view of the backyard garden. The room has a soft brown, cream and white color palette that creates a cozy and elegant atmosphere. The large windows and glass doors are covered with long brown curtains that can be drawn for privacy or opened for ventilation. The floor is adorned with a white area rug that has a geometric pattern that adds some interest and contrast. The furniture is comfortable and stylish with a large beige corner sectional sofa that is decorated with many decorative pillows in different colors and patterns. A lightweight wood chair and a round coffee table provide additional sitting and surface space. A large potted plant near one of the glass doors brings some greenery and freshness to the room. Large painting on the wall above the sofa adds some artistic flair and personality to the space. And that's it for today's video on the best small living room design ideas, trends, and inspiration for this year. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your own space. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos in this series where we share more tips and ideas for maximizing your space and style. You can find the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. We really appreciate it. And remember, You don't need a big space to have a beautiful living room. You just need some creativity and imagination. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.